Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to duplicate a page in Google Docs. If you've ever worked on a document in Google Docs, you might have found yourself needing to duplicate a page. Whether it's for creating templates, making presentations consistent, or just simplifying your workflow, being able to duplicate a page can save you a lot of time and effort. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to make this task as easy as pie. Alright, let's dive right into the process. First things first, we want to grab the content from the page you wish to duplicate. So, what you'll need to do is highlight everything on that page. This is key because you want to make sure you capture all the text and any images or elements on the page. Once you've got it all highlighted, you're ready to copy it. Now, there are a couple of ways you can do this. You can simply right-click on the highlighted section and select Copy from the menu that appears. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This is a handy shortcut that many find quicker and easier to use. Next, after copying the content, the goal is to find a place to paste it. But before we do that, we need to create a new page. This is where the page break comes in. Head over to the top menu of your Google Docs interface and click on Insert. You'll see a list of options drop down, and what you're looking for is Break. Hover over it and then select Page Break. For those who enjoy using shortcuts, you can also achieve this by pressing Ctrl+Enter on your keyboard. It's a quick way to insert a page break without navigating through the menu. Now that you have a fresh, clean page, it's time to paste what you copied earlier. Simply click on the new page and use Ctrl+V to paste everything you copied. And just like that, you've successfully duplicated your page. This method is not only straightforward, but also incredibly efficient. You can repeat this process as many times as you need, whether you're working on a long document or just need multiple copies of the same page. It really is that simple when you get the hang of it. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to duplicate a page in Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to duplicate a page in Google Docs,